Have here a 2005 Chevy 3500 two-wheel drive. It's got a BrandFX fiberglass service body, 8.1 V8 motor, big block V8 on this bad boy, 141,000 miles, single cab, real nice utility bed on it. Obviously it's a ex-utility company truck, Verizon truck. It's set up really nice, has a bunch of power ports all over it. It's got an Onan 7000 series generator on it, and this runs a compressor in the back, as well as, like I said, a bunch of outlets all over this thing. So it's actually a really nice service body. Don't see many of these fiberglass ones around. And see if I can get that closed and latched again. I don't know what the problem is on that guy. Ah well, I'll mess with that later. I need to obviously take a look at that latch. Put it on the latch. But if you do have any questions about the truck, my number is 804-716-8487. Feel free to call or text anytime. That one latches. That one latches. I don't know. That latch just might be sticky. Pretty nice truck all the way around. It's a local truck here from Virginia. And like I said, it's got a reel and compressor in the back. There's reel, there's the controller for the generator hours on it. Nice and closed body here, tons of storage on it. The body's pretty clean all the way around. Like I said, it is a fiberglass body, so you don't ever really have to worry about rust or anything like that. And I'm obviously not used to these fiberglass bodies because I keep fighting with the latches. It is a 3500 dual wheel, so a little bit deeper bins. You know, obviously you have some racks on the side. The other side had some racks as well. You got your outlets back here. Big boy right there. So a lot of potential uses for this. A lot of different stuff you could do. Side's nice. You got some drawer slides in there, and just some more dividers and organizers in there. And this one's just got shelves. So a lot of storage for tools, equipment, materials. Peek up underneath over here, just show you the undercarriage situation. So like I said, it's a local truck. Obviously we do get a little bit of salt and snow here in Virginia, but it's not too bad, and the truck shows pretty well. A little bit of surface scaling on some parts of the frame, but all in all, it's pretty good shape rust wise. There's outlets literally all over this thing, which is pretty cool. Again, it's 2005, 141,000 miles, 8.1 big block V8 gas. Interior's pretty clean. Tires are in decent shape. You got a little bit of something going on right there. Just heads up on that. Cosmetically, there really aren't that many things to note on the truck. You do have your nice racks up there too. It's pretty clean all the way around, you know, nothing tore up or ripped inside. Besides that little dent on the driver fender, that's about it on the exterior. So again, if you do have any questions, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. 2005 C3500 8.1, 141,000 miles, and an enclosed service bed. Thanks for watching.